Does your body have the vital nutrients it needs to function at its best? In today's uncertain world, it's difficult to always provide your body with the essential vitamins and nutrients it needs to stay healthy and ward off the effects of illness, fatigue, and other health issues. If you want to be at your best, you need to be ready for whatever life throws at you, and that means being smart with your supplements. Renew, revitalize, and restore your body with the multivitamin support of MaxNFuze. MaxNFuze contains the key vitamins that your body needs to better defend itself against harmful outside attackers. Our proprietary blend is specially formulated to preserve and enhance the function of glutathione in maintaining the body's antioxidant network to defend against free radical damage. Be ready to ensure your body is infused with the nutrients you need to be healthier inside and out. Support your body's immune system with MaxNFuze.